Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you the swatches of Modelones Wood Lid Soak Off Nail Gel. But first, I want to say thank you Modelones for sending me these products. So let's start. So this one is Modelones Nail Gel. It comes with 10 ml bottle and then the color is called Light. And let's see what color it is. So it looks like a mint green color. And the next shade is called Flowers. And it's a nude color, which is good for all skin tones. So I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. Next is called Edelweiss, which is color white. It's an opaque white color, very pretty. And the next one is Rose Gold. It is a sophisticated color and very glittery. And the next one is called House. And it is a gray color shade, which also works with all skin tones. And this one is a Modelones top coat. And this one is a Modelones base coat. And now I will be swatching it for you. So first, make sure your nails are completely dry, clean, and oil-free before applying the base coat. Wipe your nails with alcohol pad to remove all the excess oil on your nails. And then apply a thin layer of base coat. It is important to apply base coat because it is a transition between fingernails and color gel. It protects our natural nails and it also makes the gel polish last longer. And then cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. And now you can apply the color gel polish. So first I will try the Edelweiss color shade. So now I'm going to apply the first coat. And then cure under LED lamp or UV lamp for 60 seconds. And then apply the second coat. Here I thought I would have a hard time using the wood lid, but it's not a problem at all. It is easy to use. And then cure again for 60 seconds under UV or LED lamp. And now I'm gonna apply the top coat. It says Modelones Nail Gel is highly pigmented with healthy ingredients and it can last up to 21 days. And then cure for 60 seconds under UV or LED lamp. So this is what it looks like and it's already opaque in just 2 coats. Now I'm gonna try the house shade. apply the first thin layer of house color gel polish. And then cure for 60 seconds. It is important to make sure that your nails are dry before you proceed to the next steps. And now I'm gonna apply the second coat of house color gel. And then cure it again under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. And now I'm gonna apply the top coat. And cure it again. And now I'm gonna try the rose gold shade. Rose gold is a blend of light pink and platinum gold glitter which has a high shine factor. So I'm going to apply the first thin coat of rose gold color gel. And then cure for 60 seconds. And this is what it looks like. And now I'm gonna apply a thin layer of second coat. And then cure for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to apply the top coat. Top coat is also important because it makes the color look shiny and glossy, and it also protects the gloss of the color gel polish, and it also avoids the gel polish from peeling off easily. And now I'm gonna try the flowers shade. Before opening the bottle, rub the bottles between your hands to let the gel keep its consistency. Now I'm gonna apply the first coat of flower shade, which is also a nude color. So this is just the first coat, and as you see, it is already opaque. Cure for 60 seconds. So this is very impressive for just the first coat. It already looks so shiny that it has already the glossy finish. So now I'm gonna apply the second coat. Cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm gonna apply the top coat. So here's what I noticed about Modelones gel polish is it has no nasty smell at all, and the nail brush is made to paint your nails perfectly. It is easy to use. And now I'm gonna try the color shade light. And it is a pretty mint green color. So now first apply the first coat. Cure for 60 seconds. And now apply the second coat. And this is what it looks like. It's already had that glossy look without the top coat yet. And now I'm going to apply the top coat. Cure for 60 seconds. And this is what it looks like. So overall, it already has the fully opaque in just 2 coats and has the glossy and shiny finish. And that's it, everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. And thank you for watching. Bye!